guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Faith. In case you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel and feel at home. So, how have you been, guys? I hope you have been good. So, on today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to cook minji stew all peas. Yes, and we, I'm going to show you the ingredients we are going to use. Okay, so let me show you. Yes. So guys, now let's start by lighting our cooker. So we have to wait the spoon to get hot. Yes. Then add some oil. And yes, there's something I forgot to show you. Yeah, that is and your kitungu. And then you can wait. Give it around 2 minutes. Yes, to turn golden brown. Yes, and also I'm going to add ginger. Sorry. You stir and let it cook for around 3 minutes. Next, this one. Look at that. So then we add that. The next is paprika and salt to change the color. I prefer adding paprika instead of turmeric on my peas. And let it cook. So guys, at this point I've already added potatoes and peas. Yeah, the reason why I'm showing you now is because we had a blackout, so Yes, guys, sorry about that, but yeah, this is the outcome after mixing everything, as you can see. So let me add water. That's it. So guys, my stew is ready. So I want to serve it. Let me show you. So look at that. Carrot chapati. Yes, that is what I made. This is so good. So guys, make sure you try this at home. Bye.